Too much rain and high heat in my garden. Hello, Studio Squad. For everyone new, welcome to Kiara Studio. In this video, you will get to see a first-hand look at how too much rain and too much heat has affected my garden. I post photos and videos of my garden on my website and on social media. This video is a behind-the-scenes look. The sound of the rain is soothing. Water is necessary for me to grow plants. It has caused the grass to grow very tall, which can make it more challenging for my dog to navigate the yard. Too much water can cause damage in my garden. I am happy to see that these tomatoes are growing well. I have grown these zucchini in my garden. It was my first time growing these. They taste so good. I do dance a little while I am working in my garden. I wonder if anyone else dances while they're working in a garden. I also dance while I am cleaning my house and while creating artwork. Before I started to prune the plants, I watered them. I just did not record that part. I made this video to be transparent about the challenges that arise in my garden. Damp areas attract slugs. The leaves are turning yellow. Some fruit have dropped prematurely. I grow fruit, vegetables, herbs, and a couple of flowers, but my garden doesn't always look picturesque. At first, I did not know that my dog was drinking out of the watering cans. After I found out, I threw out the rest of the water, cleaned out the watering cans, and showed him where his water bowl was, which is on the top of the porch in the shade. It has been hard to grow my own food during this summer due to the weather mostly and the pests. High heat makes plants more susceptible to diseases and pests. I have found slugs in my garden and I'm doing things to keep them away. What you don't see in this video are my herbs. They are growing on my porch. Since my herbs are up on the porch, they haven't been receiving too much water like these plants in the yard. The herbs that I am growing are eucalyptus, peppermint, and basil. Amongst the fact that the scorching hot summer heat ranging from 89 degrees Fahrenheit to the upper 90s and the overwhelming amounts of rain destroyed my garden, I still find moments of joy, like when I listen to music in my AirPods while dancing around and working in my garden. I enjoy completing personal art projects, and I like reading books that I find interesting. This is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like now. Please like this video, share this video, watch it as many times as you want, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video.